fucker took like 10 seconds to respond to the same tones.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois, east-central Lee County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:27 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Shabanoff, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Sycamore, Yorkville, Little Rock, Plano, Sandwich, Shabanoff, DeKalb, Bartlett, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, and Elburn, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 83 and 94. Interstate 88 between mile markers 84 and 120. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Kane County Cougars Ballpark, and Wadapincy Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Fuck. Can't see it, but the winds are kind of starting to pick up.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5 o'clock p.m. At 3:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms over much of southern Lake Michigan, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots.
Why did it put it for 6 hours?
A rapid wind shift from westerly to northerly and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Locally higher waves and stronger, more variable winds are expected around these thunderstorms.
Okay, is that it?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County.
Okay, fuck that.
Northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northeastern Illinois.
Focus. There you go.
3:16 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beach Bar to Gilbert, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected.
This thing has a hell of a time focusing. Fuck, it went. Yeah, here comes the rain. Goodbye.